Melissa, you really should consider taking more advanced math and science classes.
But it's so... Ugh.
Melissa, I know you can handle it. Besides, it'll be so beneficial for your future.
Why do I need this? This is so boring. So let's start from the beginning. You always hear college this, career that, but have you ever stopped to think about how important it is? I mean, hello, it's your life.
The aerospace industry in Arkansas holds great promise, not only today, but well into the future. There are great manufacturers here, Dassault Falcon Jet, Hawker, Beechcraft, Audio International. The opportunities are abundant, from production workers to technical workers to engineering and software, electronics, mechanical, to design. You need to work very hard. You need to stay up to date on electronics, and you need to study the concepts behind that. The rewards are immense. The opportunities for different jobs are immense, and the satisfaction of knowing you created a product that everybody is looking at in days to come will be tremendous.
AI? Let's go check it out. Whoa. Hi.
Hi.
I'm Melissa.
Hi, Melissa. I'm Serge Gallant. Nice to meet you.
You too. What's this?
Well, this is our Quest room. This is where we do quality evaluation on all the products that we install on the aircraft. We bring all the equipment over here and you do a final function check, make sure everything works well together, everything interacts together before we send it to the customer.
Cool.
We design in-flight entertainment systems for the corporate aviation industry. What that means is we get to design DVD players and LCD monitors and touchscreen computers for private jets. It's a lot of fun. You could stay on the top of technology. We're on the cutting edge with the things that we do here. Math to me is like another language. I'm a total math geek. I love math. And it's very vital in the role of engineering and science to be able to understand the math. Math is like learning to tie your shoe. The first time you try it, you can't do it, but the more you do it, the more practice, the easier it becomes.
Well, to be able to work in this area, you need a good understanding of electronics. So it's very important to get a good education, to be able to understand how airplane systems work, the interface with the aircraft systems in order to work in this environment.
We're here at Audio International on the productions floor. This is Debbie, operations trainer, and this is where the cabin management systems are made. But Debbie, what does that mean?
Cabin management systems is just kind of play toys for the Learjet Aircraft Corporation. It's kind of like monitors, switches, it's Xbox systems that you can play in the aircraft.
Okay, so what kind of education do you need?
anything that has to do with electronics. You know, components, soldering, math, science, anything that has to do with the electronic industry. We will also train on site.
So I guess it would be a good idea to take some really advanced math and science courses in high school.
Absolutely.
This is a Green 2000 LX. These babies fly all the way in from France to get fixed up and looking good. They paint the outside of the planes. In this plane, they're pre-fitting the furniture, and they're making sure that the electronics that will be in the plane will work. And then you get a nice, fancy interior. We're here with Keith Edwards. So Keith, I've toured the ins and outs of the 2000, so it must be pretty expensive, huh?
Our aircraft are totally custom, and you could probably spend $20 to $30 million buying one of these.
Wow. So that must be why I had to wear the hairnet and booties in there, huh? Are you laughing at my hairnet?
Yes, we've got to protect the aircraft. Cabinet shop, avionics, interior. They build the parts for the plane and we install them. At Falcon Jet, these airplanes are all high-tech. They have two main computers that run the system. Everything is zeros and ones. So if you really want to excel in aircraft industry, you need to take the higher maths and science, because the electronics of these airplanes are changing daily. They have new fantastic radars so we can see the weather, so we can fly around it. It's a very lucrative field, and you can travel all over the world working on aircraft.
Every day is really an adventure, because you're working on airplanes. I mean, how cool is that? It doesn't get much better than that.